Welcome to the demo video for the AI106 West Coast mixer. It's a 3-in, 1-out mixer with audio controls for the 3 inputs and a master control for the output. This mixer is called a West Coast mixer because unlike other modern Eurorack mixer modules, it doesn't use any op amps and instead uses classic transistor designs from mixer modules that you would have found in the 60s and 70s on modules coming from the West Coast. So sonically, it's going to be a little bit less perfect than your average op-amp mixer, and although it has modern transistors, you could use some older general purpose NPN, new old stock to get an even more vintage sound. So if we look at the data, we see a red line, which is a saw wave coming from one AI106 VCO. And that's going direct in, and that's just giving us a reference point so we can compare the saw wave coming in from the other AI106, which is going through the West Coast mixer. And that's all we're listening to right now, is that saw wave. So we can see that there's some rectification in the bottom end of that saw wave, where it's flattening out instead of going all the way down. We can also see that it's inverted, which is very common on a particular design that I was looking at coming out of the 60s in the West Coast. This means that you could also use this mixer to invert a control voltage signal if you need to invert an envelope or an LFO or some other kind of signal. Now we'll turn up a pulse wave that is an octave below. And I'll continue to play around mixing some waveforms. So using a discrete mixer like the AI106 West Coast mixer in conjunction with the low-pass gate is going to allow you to get some of those 60s, 70s West Coast sonic timbres into your modern Eurroack system. The AI106 West Coast mixer is available now at aisynthesis.com and other fine retailers as a kit, pre-built unit with a warranty, PCB panel, or just the PCB if you want to get really funky. Thanks for watching.